Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Cooking Spices. Here I will share with you a recipe of chicken wrap. These wraps are perfect for a quick summer lunch. They are packed with flavor and really easy and quick to make. To start with, first we will marinate the chicken by adding 2 tablespoons of yogurt, 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic chili paste, 2 tablespoons of mustard oil, 1 tablespoon of tandoori masala, 1 teaspoon of paprika powder, 1 teaspoon of cumin powder, half teaspoon of garam masala, 2 teaspoon of coriander powder, 1 teaspoon of red chili powder and some salt. Then add 1/4 teaspoon of red color. Combine all together. And finally add 2 to 3 tablespoons of cream. Mix all and keep aside for minimum 1 hour. Meantime, preheat the oven for 10 minutes at 250 degrees. Spray oil on a grill tray and then put the marinated chicken. Grill the chicken for 20 minutes or until done by flipping sides in between. Now chicken is ready to build a wrap. Take one tortilla wrap, spread some hummus in it. Add some grilled chicken followed by chopped vegetables like cabbage, carrots, lettuce, sliced onion or any other vegetables of your choice and fold the tortilla. If you want to pack for lunch, do not spread hummus in it. It will get soggy. Instead, pack it on the side. In a pan, spray a little oil and place the chicken wrap and cook it on both the sides for a minute or two. Our chicken wrap is ready to serve now. For more details, check out my website and more videos like this. Like, share and subscribe. Thank you.